Welcome to our vlog! Today we're exploring Manila, the capital of the Philippines, which founded on June 24, 1571 by Spanish conquistador Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. Manila's history goes back even further to its days as Maynila, a bustling trade hub. Despite the challenges including World War II, Manila was rebuilt and has grown into a vibrant metropolis where history meets modernity. Join us as we explore our iconic sites and dive into the rich culture that makes Manila unique.
Hi guys! Siguro yung hi guys.
4-day school
4 days ko lang
ng PUP.
PUP. Kumbaga
Opo.
nag-interview ko kayo.
Wala pa namang interview kahit mga historical lang.
Okay, kasi pag mag-interview po kayo, mga katulad po niyan, kung kailangan po natin muna may pag-coordinate po dun.
Kung may interview. Pero kung walang interview,
ano po bang ginagawa niyo?
Vlog lang.
wala, di ba ang interview is ito?
Makakasamahan niyo po ba sila?
Opo.
Mga samahan.
Oo.
Akala ko, ibang
Kinakabahan nyo naman agad kami.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! We're entering Japanese Garden.
Japanese Garden is located inside Luneta Park, a donation from Japanese government that symbolizes peace and friendship between the two countries. This is one of the most beloved landscapes here in Manila that celebrates the beauty and wonder of nature through picturesque sceneries of trees, ornamental plants, stone lanterns, a lagoon, and Japanese-inspired bridges.
And now we're here at Chinese Garden. Ni hao!
Chinese Garden is just beside Japanese Garden. It was built between 1966 to 1967 with the funds from Taiwan. This beautiful garden is a symbol of the strong cultural ties between China and the Philippines. As we walk through Luneta Park, you can really feel the vibrant energy around. Families are out enjoying the beautiful day while the kids are playing. It's a typical weekend scene where people are simply enjoying their time. Vendors are also lining up the pathways, selling different stuffs, making the place more lively and festive. After exploring the serene Japanese and Chinese gardens, we're now heading towards one of the most iconic landmarks in the park, the Jose Rizal Monument. This monument is a must-see when you're in Luneta as it is a powerful symbol of Filipino pride and heritage, dedicated to our national hero Jose Rizal. This monument stands as a reminder of the country's history and the enduring spirit of its people.
Hey guys! Bali ngayon, nasa Intramuros kami. And kumuha kami ng tour guide para mas maikot namin yung Intramuros. Hi kuya!
Hello.
Kuya, anong pangalan nyo?
Joel po.
Thank you kuya sa pag-tour ah.
Renting a cab costs 200 pesos each person for 30 minutes. If you want to extend, you will pay 400 pesos for an hour. A bit pricey, but it is very convenient, especially dahil sobrang init ng panahon at mahaba-haba din yung travel papunta sa iba't ibang destination. Bukod dito, hindi lang sila nagpo-provide ng ride, They also give us fun facts and thorough explanation about the area's historical background. Intramuros is the heart of the old Manila. It was built by the Spanish in the late 16th century and it means within the walls, which reflects its fortified nature.
Guys, so nasa San Agustin Church kami ngayon. Yan, hello. So wala si Kenneth kasi nandun siya sa kabilang baluarte.
So, dito muna kami
Ah.
sa San Agustin Church.
So itutour namin guys sa San Agustin Church. Welcome to Baluarte Ditilao.
The Baluarte de Dilao played a crucial role in the defense strategy and designed to protect against invasions. Here we can see an old canyon facing the direction of Paco, Manila and the city. Baluarte de San Diego was designed by a priest and the architect Antonio Cedeño. It originally served as a Fort Nuestra Señora de Guia, a circular tower that defended Manila's southern wayside boundary. During the American occupation, the circular fort was buried under soil, which saved it from a destruction during the Battle of Manila in 1945. Excavated in 1979 and was restored on 1992. Baluarte de San Diego is now an archaeological park with a beautiful garden added at its base. Habang naglalakad kami dito sa Intramuros, napansin namin kung gaano kayaman ang kasaysayan ng lugar na to. Bawat sulok, bawat bato ay may kwentong dala. It is a living testament ng katatagan at diwa ng mga Pilipino. Sa kabila ng mga pagsubok mula sa pananakop at mga sakuna, nananatili pa rin ito